don't do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below so you will be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today's unit is from Aliexpress Sayana, and these are all the goodies that came along with the unit, you all.
Gray skies is all I see.
This is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and 3 combs in the front. This is how the hairline is looking, and it is pre-plucked. This unit is a 13x4 lace front wig.
Conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into.
So this is how the hair looks, guys, when you put it on, and I'll turn around so you can see the back of the wig. My first order of business is pulling the hair to the back in a ponytail. Then I'll go in and remove excess lace if there is. Cut the lace in 3 so it is easier for me to lay. This is just my method, you all.
Did this for me. I sense you behind me. But when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be.
And I'll be using the bedded spray and the got-to-be glue to lay the unit down.
Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. You took something from me. Forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me. did this for me. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms.
I am adding the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl.
This 13x4 unit gives you a lot of parting space, so you have the option of doing a right or left side parting without going for a deep curve part.
No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun.
You all know a girl gotta go in and had some toddler hair, but nothing too dramatic, just a little you all.
Because my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl. And her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I'll go to the sun and back for her. I'll go 1,000 to collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun.
I am going in with a walk stick, and this hair has a lot of flyaways.
Baby, there, to the sun and back. In 1,000 wars to collapse. Don't let me die with you, baby.
Now I am widening the parting space a little you all.
1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. My baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart.
I am adding the concealer to the parting space, then I'll add the Maybelline Fit Me powder over it.
Conquering my so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million. She helps me to grow.
Now I'm going in with a flat iron to flatten the hair so my bob can look nice and sleeky wall.
Back for her love. I'd fight in walls to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl in her eyes. Take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you.
If you all are sleeping on Aliexpress here, guys, you all need to wake up. They have amazing quality hair at affordable prices. This unit is under $150 and the quality is amazing. The only problem I had with this hair, it has a lot of flyaways, but guys, because this is a color unit, you can expect the flyaways. But once you go in and you had your stick, the flyaways are nowhere to be found, guys. So all the link to this unit will be in the description, guys. If you're interested in the unit, you can go and check it out, you all. Thank you for watching, and as always, you know I do appreciate you all for watching. Until next time, bye.
She